How to disable YouTube search. First of all, you need to launch YouTube app and make sure you sign into your account. Now you need to scroll down and on your home feed you will find the YouTube feed or the YouTube Shorts section. So simply you need to look for that, and now you need to tap on particular YouTube short video one by one and tap its three dots and select not interested. You have to follow the same process for 2 to 3 times until you do it for this all of the YouTube Shorts video. So you can easily scroll once again and refresh the feed and continue the same process for this YouTube Shorts video. Tap three dots and select not interested. Again refresh, and when you see that we have followed this essay for 3 or 4 times, so when you scroll down you will no longer see YouTube Shorts section on your YouTube feed. So this is the temporary way to disable YouTube Shorts from your feed. So there is no such specific icon or option to disable, but you can apply this for temporary use. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.